Okay, we're here at a Del Webb roof at a 55 and up home housing community. This is Eddie, Roof Max dealer out of Rockford, Illinois. Filming this video. Customer had expressed concern about some of his neighbors having roofers get on his roof, causing more damage on the shingles while they get there, so that they can try to sell them a new roof. So in this video, I'm going to walk you around and kind of show you exactly what we look for when we do a roof assessment to qualify it for our roof conditioning treatment service. So hope you have fun with me, learn a lot. I'm going to flip this camera around and we'll start the process. All right, so we just stepped up here on this roof. What we look for is the structural first, and see how the shingles are laying down, how the ridge cap is laying down. I'm looking for areas of concern where I see ripples around plumbing boots, granular loss in the gutters. We want to check the seal tabs, so I'm going to spread the camera around here, walk around. Right now I'm noticing that these nail heads have been sealed before in the past, but that has started to dry up. So part of our roof tune-up service is to get these sealed up. Just had a rainstorm here. Thankfully the sun's finally coming out. I want to start checking some seal tabs here on this shingle, and so far I'm unable to get these shingles to lift, which is really good. That's the way we like it. Let's continue to walk around, see what I see. I mean, from what I see, I'm not noticing any organic growth at the moment. Checking to see these nails on the flashing, which is really good. I like to see the valley on how it's installed. Nice and straight, clean lines. Looks like a California style valley. Somebody took the time to seal all this up really good. That sealant has since dried up over time. See these cracks in the boots. So just continuing to get those resealed and updated. It's nice to see the shingles not wavy. Soil pipe, no cracks on it yet, which is good. Want to keep it that way. This is a roofing vent, lots of sealant all the way around the perimeter, really good. Got some sealant on this nail here. Some roofs tell a better story than others. So far this roof is telling us a good story. Looking at the edge here where the shingles start to flare up. Lift that up. Nothing. Really good. Really good. I can't get the seal tabs to lift. So do a flexibility test on the ridge cap here at least. You can see the shingles are bending and flexing nicely. Don't want to go too far. Just let that settle. It's good. Let's check out this side of the roof. Okay, I'm noticing a chink in the armor here. Looks like we are missing one ridge cap. So maybe I don't know, it's glued down well. Nails are sealed. It's different. I think it was left like that. Starting to see the shingle lose its granulars in some spots. Got that fiberglass and asphalt being exposed. Natural way for shingles to age over time. Okay, so we're on another side of the roof here. You can see that most likely this is not the first roof. Here's why I think that. This roof is fairly new. You can see that at some point when they installed this roof they used staples, and then these new nails, the sealant has dried up since the roof was installed. So we want to get that tuned up, get that resealed. So check the seal tabs, see how things are doing there. Unable to get the shingles to separate themselves, which is very rare, which is actually really good. Nice little bit of flashing on these kickouts here, or eyebrows. Okay, so here's another sign of stress on the shingle. You're seeing areas in here where the degranulars have completely shedded, or full exposure on the asphalt, starting to get some of that fiberglass pointing through there. So basically, that's the dashboard of your car, sending you to change the oil, you know, do a tune-up maintenance here, check the shingles. They are showing signs of drying out. That's an example of so we want to be proactive about that to continue to prevent this granular from coming off the roof, mainly because if this roof over time dries up, you get that accelerated granular loss, and once these granulars come off the shingle, you can never put them back on. So we want to get that sealed up, keep these granulars on the shingle. Very well installed shingle, so not noticing any problems as far as the way the roof is installed. Continue to walk around, trying to spot any problem areas. Let's do a random test here on the seal tabs. I usually go like towards the end. See, look at that. I'm not even able to lift them. So seal tabs are still intact, which is good. That's what we like to see. Gutter granulars shedding off the roof into the gutter, completely normal. So, but we want to get that slowed down. The whole purpose of roof rejuvenation is to preserve and maintain your roof to prevent any future replacement down the road and keep the roof happy over time. Because right now it's a happy roof. So thank you for watching this video. I'm still up here, I'm still looking around. Sorry for the longer video. Here's a rip. Here's a rip in a shingle. Not a big deal, but at some point that got damaged. Not worried about it. Checking to see how things are installed. Okay. Yeah, I really like that. That's a lot better than having shingles down there. You can see the neighbors across the street, they have those facing north. They got a lot of that organic growth developing on there, but you don't have any of that here, so that's good. This roof doesn't need to be cleaned. This roof barely needs a roof tune-up. Sealing, exposed nails is basically all we would be doing. No shingle repairs, no modifications needed. I hope you found value in this video to kind of see what it is that we look for if a roof is a good candidate for roof rejuvenation services. I would have to say this is a very young roof. I don't see any organic growth. 10 years seems old. So I'll get back to you.